Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable dishwashers, the NOVETE and the Hermitlux. Both models are designed for compact living spaces and offer a range of features that make dishwashing easier and more efficient. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, performance, and unique features to help you choose the right one for your home. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the NOVETE portable countertop dishwasher is priced at $419, while the Hermitlux countertop dishwasher is more affordable at $342. This significant price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're on a budget. Let's see what features each model offers for their respective prices. Both dishwashers come with multiple wash cycles, but the NOVETE offers a unique baby care mode, which is ideal for cleaning baby bottles and utensils. The Hermitlux, on the other hand, features EKO and strong cleaning modes, making it versatile for everyday use. Depending on your specific needs, one model may stand out over the other. In terms of drying performance, user reviews suggest that the NOVETE provides more consistent drying results compared to the Hermitlux, which has been noted for occasional issues with drying efficiency. If drying performance is a priority for you, this could be a crucial factor in your decision. In conclusion, both the NOVETE and Hermitlux countertop dishwashers offer excellent features for compact living. If you're looking for a more affordable option, the Hermitlux is a great choice. However, if you value additional features and consistent drying, the NOVETE may be worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.